This video will go over how to inspect and adjust the UTV shift cable. Shock the wheels and raise the cargo box to access the shift cable. Inspect the shift cable operation by first going through the gears. The shift cable needs to be adjusted if there is no gear position or all-wheel drive display on the instrument cluster. There is a ratcheting noise on deceleration, is unable to engage a gear, there is excessive gear clash, or if the gear selector is moving out of the desired gear. Inspect the clevis pins and pivot bushings and replace if worn or damaged. To adjust the shift cable, loosen the lower lock nut shown here and pull the cable out of the mount bracket. Adjust the shift cable by tightening or loosening the upper lock nut until there is the same amount of cable travel when shifting slightly past high gear and park. Once the proper adjustment is obtained, place the lower shift cable back into the mount and tighten the lower lock nut against the mount.